So guys, lalagyan na natin yung sunblock yung katawan ni Manger o yung back. Siya yung ulo.
Do that here.
More? Guys, so welcome. Atad nga is nandito kami ngayon sa 6th floor at maligo kami ngayon ni My Angel. So let's go.
Going for a swim.
Morning.
Thank you.
So guys, so mag-chill muna. Chicken muna tayo guys. So name? Omar.
Dati parang
My room number is 1405. Time is what time now?
11:30.
11:30 and person to Charlie's
What's that number of?
number of person. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yun guys, so tapos namin mag like in. At ayun, it's free time to swimming!
I have no
What?
sunblock.
Yeah? I think I have also. You have?
That's very good.
But now it's not too much.
Not too sun.
A little bit. So yun guys, maligo na kami ng Angels. So, let's go! Ito yung swimming pool nila guys. Oh. Ang ganda, di ba? So yan. Yeah. We can go there.
Here.
First there. Okay. So guys, ang ganda talaga dito guys. Parang ano tayo dito. Ano yun? VIP. Sabi tapos talaga si My Angel guys. A card?
Inside here.
Card. Ayan, maliligo na kami guys. My Angel. Come here. May sunblock na. Ayan guys, tinawag na si My Angel dahil lagyan natin yung sunblock yung likod niya. So guys, lagyan na natin yung sunblock yung katawan ni My Angel o yung back. Siya yung ulo.
Do that here.
More? Wala.
Yes. Or
Love you. Your back also? Your back also?
more.
Hindi mo back. Your leg? And guys, so nalagyan na natin.
I have all this back, no?
Yeah. You're back already? Yeah. So now, it's my turn guys. So let's go. Siyempre, sweet tayo guys dahil mahal natin, di ba? Yung bagong phone natin guys, yung binigyan ni My Angel. Your phone in my bag. Wait please. So let's go guys, let's swimming now. Yun nga, is naayos na din natin si My Angel. At nabigyan din natin yung sunblock niya. Yun. Ito pa rest. Rest na siya dun. No? Lamig talaga ng tubig nila guys. Let's go! Woo! That's very nice guys. That's very good. You're short. You're short. Kita yung itlog yung may angel guys eh. Ganda dito guys, ang lamig. Kahit anong pumunta ko sa ilalim tubig, so hindi mapasukan ng tubig yung tenga ko kasi may air protection tayo guys. So ganda. Ang lamig. Gusto ko sana mag-dive guys, kaso no diving. Bawal mag-dive. Gusto ko sana mag-dive eh. Kaso bawal pala mag-dive. Relax na si Angela. Enjoy. So cold.
Regarde hier. Is dat nieuw? Is dat nieuw? Come here. Good there. You're up here.
really cold.